Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today's video is a special video. We're celebrating 400 subscribers. And what better way to celebrate 400 subscribers than celebrating with the king? That's right, we are trying the new Royal Crispy Chicken Wraps today. I got two of them. I have the classic and honey mustard. We're going to be indulging in these, seeing what they're all about. When you say chicken wrap, I am there. I don't care what fast food joint it is, if it's made at home, chicken wraps, that's one of my things. So let's give these new Royal Crispy, I think that's what they're called, Royal Crispy Chicken Wraps? I think that's what they're called, I don't know. It looks delicious. Obviously it looks nothing like the commercials or the or the picture. Like, this is wrapped very poorly. I will say the chicken though looks pretty bomb. So I can see the tomato in there. That's not great, but here we go. The lettuce is a little soggy. I think it might have been because it was sitting for a little while, because I had Jess go out and get them. But she stopped at the grocery store too before picking it up. So the lettuce itself is a little soggy. The chicken is really good. That must be like the chicken that they use for the fancier chicken sandwiches. Because Jess, she usually gets the original chicken sandwich, the long chicken. And it tastes and looks nothing like that. So I'm thinking this is the, for like the Royal, the Royal Crispy Chicken Sandwich stuff, obviously. Okay. The classic is good. I'm digging it. I like it. I didn't look at all the ingredients. I think it's just lettuce, mayonnaise, tomato, and chicken in the wrap. So yeah, I know there's three varieties. You get the classic, spicy, and honey mustard. But I didn't feel like doing spicy because spicy really isn't my jam. That's solid. I enjoyed that. I'll give that I give the classic wrap a 7 out of 10. It's pretty good. Alright, so up next is the honey mustard chicken wrap. So here we go. Ooh. My. See, I had to earn that one because the other one, the chicken was sticking out. I could see it. I had to really bite down past the tortilla to earn myself the taste of the honey mustard. Mmm. That actually tastes pretty dang good for also having the tomato in there. The honey mustard truly complements the tomato. Mmm. That was good. I don't want to have my last bites just be tortilla. Whoa. That was a flavor punch right there. Of just the honey mustard and the tortilla. So here we go. Ooh. Ooh. I like that one better. That honey mustard is good. That's an 8.5 out of 10. I'm gonna have to try the spicy one, even though I'm not huge on spice, but it is what it is. Well, there you have it. I have tried the Royal Crispy Wraps, but we're not done yet. Not done yet. Okay, so here's what's going down. We just got done releasing our Get Saucy videos for the review crew, and I'm just going to do a little bit more here at the end.
Let's get saucy.
So I also grabbed 4 different sauces from Burger King, and I got some fries here. They look pretty burnt, pretty stale, and we are going to be ranking these from best to worst. First up, we have Zesty sauce. We have some honey mustard. I don't know if you can see that or not. Honey mustard, buffalo, and sweet and sour. So, here we go. We are going to be trying these, ranking them, and just generally enjoying these sauces. So, Zesty. Zesty's kind of got a cane sauce look to it. Honey mustard. Honey mustard reminds me of Chick-fil-A sauce. Buffalo sauce is buffalo sauce. Ooh, that one's runny. Don't want to get that all over the table. And not all buffalo sauces are the same. Because when I worked at a restaurant with one of my first jobs, they had this really good buffalo sauce there. And then I tried some, like Red Hot's buffalo sauce. Not the same. Not all buffalo sauces are created equal. And then we're going to be finishing off with some sweet and sour. Alright, first up, Zesty. Let's get Zesty. Oh, that was zesty. Wow. What's in there? I think it's the vinegar. Nope, nope. It's a horseradish. That packs a punch. Stick that one right in there. That's pretty good. I give that one give it a 6.5. It's got kind of a punch to it. Up next, we got some honey mustard. Just like the chicken. That's good. That honey mustard. Oh yeah. I ate 3 fries with that, okay? That's a 9. That sauce is a 9. Here we go. Spicy time. Buffalo sauce. It's not too terrible. It actually reminds me of like Red Hots or whatever that is called, the Red Hot barbecue sauce. Not barbecue sauce, Red Hot's buffalo sauce, sorry. Well, I never put too much. 5. Whoa. Ugh. Did not like that. Alright, sweet and sour. I may be out of line here. Sweet and sour tastes like Zequan sauce, which is probably what it is. It's probably repackaged. Hey, this is sweet and sour, and then when the Zequan sauce comes around, they just slap on the Zequan thing. That's all right. I give that a 6.5. So you have honey mustard, zesty, sweet and sour, and the worst was buffalo. I mean, it's not terrible, just not something I really enjoy. So let's Get a big scoop here. Big scoop there. Oof. 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 Let's get a scoop of this. That's probably going to overpower everything, unfortunately. And some sweet and sour. What's funny is that the honey mustard overpowers all of this. And what's funny is that I didn't even put that much sweet and sour, or I didn't even put that much honey mustard on there. I coated that one fry with Zesty sauce. Okay, but when I start talking, it ends on the buffalo. So you get a scoop of this, you get a scoop of zest, zestfully clean, you get a scoop of honey mustard, you get a scoop of buffalo, and you get a scoop of sweet and sour. There you go. Make yourself a Frankenstein concoction sauce out of that. Oh, wow. Anyway, guys, this was a lot of fun. It was delicious. Trying those new wraps. Also enjoying some more sauce. Getting saucy here. Celebrating 400 subscribers. On to the next milestone, baby. Can't wait. So, I appreciate you guys showing up, subscribing, liking my stuff, commenting. And I will 100% see you guys again real soon. Peace! Dump a little bit in there. Dump a little bit of that in there. Ooh, that's a lot. There you go, Frankenstein sauce. Just a little close-up of the Frankenstein sauce that we just made. Look at that. Yeah. That's some good stuff, actually. It's not very overpowering. The buffalo sauce comes in at the end to kick your butt. Yeah. Watch that. Whoa.